The 38 top zero-calorie foods that are delicious and healthy. Calories matter a lot. They are required by your body to keep you active and to sustain the various organ functions. But you don't want too much of anything. Hello and welcome back. Eating low-calorie foods is linked to increased happiness, weight management, and general wellness. But what exactly are these foods? Well, these are typically veggies with a lot of water and insoluble fiber. Every adult should consume at least 1,200 calories each day on average. Low-calorie food satisfies this calorie need and keeps you satisfied longer, preventing you from consuming more calories. Apples, broccoli, celery. Keep watching to find out more about these low-calorie meals and others. Number 1. Brussels sprouts. Eating low-calorie, high-fiber foods like Brussels sprouts will help you lose weight while controlling your blood sugar levels. Consuming them frequently helps to maintain bones strong and aids in blood clotting since they are so densely packed with minerals. Number 2. Fennel. Fennel, which is famous for tasting like licorice, offers several health advantages, one of which is preserving bone health. Dietary fiber works by physically filling you up, which prevents binging. It is a good source of vitamin B6, which helps the body absorb iron and supports a healthy digestive system. Number 3. Cauliflower. You shouldn't underestimate this cruciferous vegetable if you're pondering losing weight. Cauliflower may be consumed without worrying about gaining weight because 1 cup only has around 25 calories. Number 4. Onion. Onions are low in calories and high in fiber, folic acid, and other vitamins. You may eat them raw or cooked, and they don't contain any salt, fat, or cholesterol. Onions are naturally anti-inflammatory, they safeguard heart health, and they even help to strengthen the immune system. Number 5. Grapefruit. The list of grapefruit's health advantages is endless. It is one of the lowest calorie-containing fruits, being both nutrient-rich and calorie-free. They provide the immune system a boost, reduce hunger, aid in weight reduction, and control diabetes since they include a respectable quantity of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Number 6. Tomato. Knowing that this multipurpose vegetable has few calories is a good thing. There are just 16 calories in a medium-sized tomato. They are fantastic for enhancing eyesight, digestion, and building stronger bones since they are rich in the goodness of vitamin C, fiber, and a unique substance called lycopene. Number 7. Apples. One of the most nutrient-dense fruits is the apple, which is low in calories and high in fiber. They may be used as a nutritious snack to aid with weight loss. It has so few calories that they are primarily burnt off during digestion. Number 8. Chia seeds. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds adds 60 calories and prolongs your feeling of fullness. It promotes skin and hair health, promotes tissue growth, and even lessens the possibility of acquiring arthritis, depression, or dementia. Number 9. Watermelon. The fruit watermelon is very hydrating since it contains more than 95% water. By eating this fruit as a snack, which has about 100 grams and just 30 calories, you may avoid consuming unhealthy snacks. Did you know that a wonderful source of amino acids that help you lose weight is the watermelon? Number 10. Cucumber. An incredible source of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant chemicals is cucumbers. Did you know that the most nutrient-rich components are the peel and seeds? They are lower in calories and have no fat, carbohydrates, salt, or cholesterol. Number 11. Broccoli. Broccoli is a superfood due to its high vitamin content. Only 31 calories and many additional health advantages are found in 1 cup. They are rich in fiber, which delays the release of glucose into circulation, in addition to antioxidants that cleanse the body. Number 12. Arugula. Various of the most crucial minerals for preserving bone health, safeguarding heart health, and lowering the chance of acquiring some malignancies may be found in arugula. It just has 5 calories and very little fat per cup. It provides folate, potassium, and magnesium because it is a green vegetable. Number 13, snap peas. Snap peas, a non-starchy vegetable, deserve extra attention because 1 cup only has 40 calories. This leafy green vegetable is also a rich source of potassium, beta-carotene, and other vitamins. They are renowned for preventing illness, managing weight, and enhancing heart health. Number 14, garlic. Garlic has almost few calories and plant components with powerful therapeutic benefits. It is nutrient-rich and contains important substances including fiber, vitamin C, and B6. Flu, the common cold, abnormal blood pressure, and other conditions are all fought off by the active components. Number 15, strawberry. Strawberries' incredible potassium and vitamin content are just insufficient. They have few calories and are also salt, fat, and cholesterol-free. This tasty, tart fruit is a must-have addition to your weight reduction diet since it strengthens immunity while also enhancing skin health. Number 16, pepper. Peppers are good providers of potassium, fiber, vitamins, and folic acid, and they are low in calories and high in minerals. They may be included in many recipes for losing weight because of their low-calorie content, particularly in salads. They come in a variety of forms and contain phosphorus and antioxidants. Number 17, kale. Managing high blood pressure, enhancing digestion, and preventing the onset of diabetes are just a few of the health advantages of kale. Kale stops the onset of many diseases since it has a wide variety of minerals including vitamin C and K, antioxidants, and no calories. The kidneys are cleansed by kale. Number 18, watercress. It is naturally devoid of fat and low in calories. They reduce the danger of possibly chronic illnesses by neutralizing harmful free radicals, since they are rich in the goodness of important vitamins, phytochemicals, and minerals. Number 19, celery. Looking for a low-calorie, healthier snack? Celery is ideal. Its high water content, which naturally reduces its caloric content, is the key. There are just about 18 calories in 1 cup of it. Number 20, asparagus. The folate, vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium are in these green spear-shaped sticks. There are only 13 calories in a half cup. Did you know that it has been shown to help with hangovers as well? Number 21, lemon. Lemons are bracing. A medium-sized lemon has just 20 calories, and the acidic flavor is an obvious indicator of the presence of vitamin C. Lemon water in the morning improves digestion and raises energy levels. Due to its capacity to encourage calorie burning, it is also a fantastic method of weight loss. Number 22, chard. Antioxidants, fiber, and minerals make chard incredibly nutrient-dense. Moreover, it has no carbohydrates, fat, or calories. It is frequently known as Swiss chard, and it guards against kidney stones, diabetes, and heart disease. Number 23, beets. The nutritional profile of beetroots is outstanding. They are low in calories and are a rich source of minerals and vitamins. Because they contain a lot of nitrates, they lower high blood pressure. It enhances athletic performance when consumed 2 to 3 hours before a sporting event or training session. Number 24, chilies. Chilies can increase metabolism by 50% while containing no calories. Green chilies can neutralize free radicals since they are packed with antioxidants. Moreover, they lower blood cholesterol, stop blood clots from forming, and maintain the cardiovascular system's health. Number 25, ginger. Traditional medicine relies heavily on ginger to treat conditions including the common cold, the flu, joint discomfort, and cramping. Freshly grated ginger has just 5 calories per tablespoon, reduces blood sugar, soothes the irritable stomach, and reduces inflammation. Number 26, zucchini. Regular consumption of zucchini is a fantastic approach to losing some extra weight. These vibrant veggies, which range in hue from green to yellow, are loaded with nutrients. Because it is high in water and has few calories, zucchini is a popular remedy for colds and pains. Number 27, soup. Soup can be made from just about anything. It is a liquid mixture of veggies, sauces, and garnishes. You may eat it and feel satisfied for a very long period. It is completely nutritious but low in calories and fat, which also aids in weight loss. Number 28, leaf lettuce. There are many different kinds of lettuce. This classic, everyday green vegetable protects the heart and keeps you well hydrated because it is low in calories and abundant in key nutrients. It is a vegetable that promotes weight reduction since it is abundant in antioxidants, vitamins A and K, and other nutrients. Number 29, cabbage. Another vegetable low in calories but abundant in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants is cabbage. One cooked cup is simple to make and has 33 calories and almost no fat. Additionally, it supports weight loss, encourages healthy-looking skin, and strengthens the immune system. Number 30, carrots. Around 50 calories, or 3% of the daily caloric requirement, are in a cup of raw carrot sticks. Natural substances are beneficial because they block the development of new fat cells, which prevents obesity. Number 31, spinach. Without spinach, no healthy diet is complete. These nutritious leafy greens not only have little calories, but also several vital vitamins and folate. With only 7 calories per cup, this superfood aids with weight loss while also keeping the skin radiant and the body calm. Number 32, clementine. This mandarin sweet orange hybrid has a somewhat sweeter flavor than regular citrus fruits. Vitamin C, antioxidants, and a range of minerals are abundant in clementinas. This fruit's sugar and a small quantity of protein make up the majority of its calories. Number 33, papaya. Papaya has several therapeutically useful medical qualities. The 59 calories in one small papaya will make you feel satisfied. It is an excellent choice for a nutritious mid-morning snack. Strong antioxidants, certain anti-cancer effects, and even skin protection are all features of this substance. Number 34, oatmeal. Only 150 calories are included in a cup of oats cooked with water. Stir in half a cup of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt to make it more full. You will gain 11 g of protein in this method, but just 60 more calories. If you explore new additions like almond butter, chia seeds, or berries, you'll never grow tired of oatmeal. Number 35, radish. Radishes are minimal in calories and contain hardly any fat, sugar, or carbohydrates. This spicy, crispy, and tasty root vegetable also contains a lot of vitamin C. Consuming just 1 cup of it daily would give antioxidants with anti-diabetic and blood sugar-lowering qualities, as well as reduce the risk of chronic illness. Number 36. Jicama. Jicama is high in fiber and is similar to a potato or a turnip in that it is low in calories, sugar, and fat. Jicama is a fantastic alternative to potatoes and other high-starch and glucose meals for those with diabetes. It is a naturally occurring prebiotic and a great source of antioxidants that support healthy blood sugar levels. Number 37, herbs. Different types of salt and herbs including basil, cress, and dill have little to no calories. They enhance a meal with their delectable flavor and delightful aroma. An excellent method to eat healthily is to use herbs and spices to enhance the flavor of a meal that would otherwise be tasteless and dull. Number 38, mushroom. Vegetarians frequently utilize this meatless vegetable as an alternative to meat dishes. Only 15 calories are included in 1 diced cup of them, along with minerals including magnesium, zinc, and copper. They also contain a lot of riboflavin, a unique substance essential for maintaining a normal blood cell count. Do not misunderstand. The body needs calories to operate properly. When you consume too many calories and fail to burn them, trouble arises. It's crucial to limit unhealthy meals and opt for low-calorie options because the majority of food and beverages contain obscene amounts of calories. Do you eat low-calorie foods? Have you tried those when you're on diet? Comment down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want more health and wellness tips. And hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching.